Hello everyone, welcome to my Friday message which comes to you today from our brilliant red shed area. We've been trying to keep things going here while it's not in such regular use, and actually it's looking great. I can see the rhubarbs coming on well, the peas are beginning to come up, and those beautiful tulips. Doesn't it look great? Now I hope that everyone's well and has enjoyed some special times over this very different Easter break, and so I must again wish you all a very happy Easter. That's to you and your families and loved ones. Thank you to everyone who sent in those wonderful pictures for our special community film that we were able to publish on Easter Sunday. I know that many of you enjoyed seeing some familiar faces. I certainly enjoyed seeing all of the messages from everyone. If you'd like to send more pictures of what you're up to, Mrs. Sherry is going to arrange for them to be shared, possibly in a pupil post on a regular basis. So that's a great way to stay connected and see what everyone's up to. That's so important in these times. I gather that some of you have even been logging on to Purple Mash during your holidays. That's amazing. Equally, I know that lots of you have been busy doing other exciting things at home, and that's great as well. It's always lovely to know about what you're getting up to. Your teachers have been really impressed with all of the work that you've been doing and have enjoyed seeing what you're up to. So watch out for a letter from them, be coming your way on Monday via parent mail with news about what the summer term will hold for all of us. I know it's going to be a strange start to that summer term, but I'm sure we'll all continue to learn in this new way, all learning new skills and different ways to do things. And you're doing brilliantly at that, so well done. I wanted to end today with some more virtual head teacher awards, a little bit like the ones that I gave during my first video message. So I've got someone in their school jumper here ready to receive them on your behalf. There's quite a few, so we're going to have to storm through these, I think. So the first one, this one, is for all of you at home, all of the children, for your commitment to work in whatever form that is, and for the kind acts that I know you're doing for your families and loved ones at home. There we are, first Head Teachers Award for all of the children. Second one, and this is a really important one. This one is for anyone who's produced a rainbow poster, a message in your window, a card, a letter, a kind word or gesture for someone in need. And also those messages that you've sent for those who are helping to fight COVID. I think I even heard some of you possibly yesterday evening making lots of noise outside, clapping and cheering for our key workers. That was great. Keep those acts of kindness and generosity going. Small acts of kindness, but with a huge impact. And they are so very, very important. So well done. There we are, another sticker. Better not put it upside down. And number 3, this one's for your parents who are doing an absolutely fantastic job in supporting your learning at home and keeping you busy. And I know that that's really tricky. It's hard work, isn't it? Frustrating at times, but you're doing brilliantly in that partnership with your children's learning. So thank you so much for supporting us in that. It really, really is appreciated. Head Teachers Award number 4 goes to a fantastic staff team who have gone above and beyond continually since our schools have been closed or partially closed. For those that have changed their plans at short notice, when schedules have changed, for the brilliant things that you're doing to make sure that children have got opportunities to learn even though that they're at home, and the support that you're giving to families is really, really appreciated. Also to those of my staff who've dedicated time, even during their Easter holidays, to be in school volunteering so that our key worker children could be cared for. That's been fantastic. So to my brilliant staff team, very proud of each and every one of you. Well done. Here we are. Going to hold that badge for the teachers and the teaching assistants and the admin staff and the site staff. There we are. Another one for staff and governors, this time for those who volunteered yesterday to deliver the brilliant produce that the Felix project kindly donated to our school again this week. So thank you for your help in doing that. That was really appreciated. Next one is for the key worker children. So they deserve their award because actually they've been in school and just got on with things, even when others haven't been in school. They've adapted to different situations, different teachers every day, different support staff with them each day. And you know, they haven't complained at all, they've just got on with it, and they've been a great bunch to be with. So I know we'd love to have had all children in school, it's just not possible or allowed at the moment. So, but this is a special award for those children that have been coming in, have had to come in each day as well. And then of course my final award today, here we are, green, St Vincent de Paul Headteachers Award, goes to all of the key workers associated with our school community. We know that you're doing so much to keep things going at the moment and to keep us safe, and your work is really appreciated whatever you are doing. So thank you from all of our community for that. Now, that's nearly at an end. Before I do, I better update you on those juggling skills, hadn't I? Well, they're not going very well. I haven't even brought the juggling balls out with me today. I have to report that I've not managed to master that skill, probably because I haven't practiced enough. I know, it's terrible, that's my fault. Sorry. I've not managed to master that skill. I think it's maybe a skill I'm just going to have to spend a little bit more time on and practice a little bit more. I often say that to people, don't I? When you're struggling with something, you've just got to keep trying at it, try it in a different way, have another go at it, have a break from it and come back to it. I've got to take some of my own advice and do a bit of that, and perhaps also I need to be a bit more focused and determined about this one. I'll let you know when I've developed the skill, and I'll be able to show you what I can do. I've got a new skill to develop this weekend though. Look, it's looking a bit of a mess up here, isn't it? And I've got some clippers, I'm gonna have to do a bit of cutting of my hair as the barbers aren't open. That's a new skill for me to develop. Now, Mrs. White says she's keen to have a go at it, but I'm not quite sure I'm gonna allow that. I think she might have another plan for what's going on up here. We'll wait and see what it looks like on Monday, perhaps. Have a good weekend, everyone. And welcome to the summer term on Monday. Bye.